there, how you doing? It is Rich and Mike from drumhead.com again. Welcome to another bite-sized lesson. Hope you're all doing fine out there. This lesson is, well, it's going to be a bit of a surprise again, because Rich is going to show us how to make a groove funky, which is going to involve some sort of hi-hat choke type thing, which is going to sound cool. So if you like it, like and subscribe. And Rich will let you into the secret now.
Okay, guys. So there we go. So as Mike said, we're going to make your groove funky. This is, we say this all the time, this is so easy in principle, but it changes the groove completely. If we take this groove,
Quite rocky.
yeah, not that funky.
Yeah.
Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to open the hi-hat on count one, right? Which instantly makes everything funky. Okay, so it's still there, it changes the groove completely. Now, if we add a couple of ghost notes in there, now it's starting to feel miles better.
Yeah, I know the groove is slightly different.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that a lot of people listening to that will go, okay, walk this way.
Yeah. Again, you know, there are so many songs. There are so many. If you talk about Walk This Way, if you talk about Hard to Handle, the Black Crows.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if you look at pretty much anything that James Brown ever did, there's an open hi-hat on the one or the one and, which just gives it that really, really nice feel. Really, really nice feel. It's just something to work on. We've got to bear in mind that when we do this, that when we play that one, the bass drum's going down, the hi-hat's coming up. Correct. So we've got a little bit of independence that we need to have a think about with the feet. So we're kind of doing tss, tss, like that. Yeah, so that's the kind of motion that we've got. Yeah, but once you get your head around that, it sounds great. Yeah, and then you can add lots and lots and lots of extra stuff in there. But for now, if you just keep that opening on count one, sounds fantastic. It's
getting the accuracy, isn't it? Opening on count one, closing on the hand, aren't we?
Yeah, I mean, you could close it on the E if you wanted it shorter and sharper. You could leave it open a little bit longer. That's one of those things that we experiment with. So we kind of close it on different counts, and then we know when we hear it, right, okay, I need to leave it open a little bit longer.
But then that comes again back to what we've said loads of times. You need to decide what you're going to do, learn that, and then you've got the choice, rather than it just happening by mistake.
Yeah,
you know,
that's it.
Understand what you're doing.
Yeah,
I think
that's it.
Yeah,
that's it. But again, you know, we're opening the hi-hat on one in the grooves that you already know how to play. Yeah. So, and it does make a difference to it. It makes it sound nice. You know, remember when you put those ghost notes in that they're nice and controlled, nice and low, then that hi-hat can really, really, really stand out. Yeah.
Well, generally you've got the kick underneath it, pumping it out, and anyway.
That's it.
So
that's it. And then you've got a really nice idea to just kind of spice up your grooves and make them feel a little bit more funky, guys. There we go. So, shall we throw some bass with it, speed it up a little bit, and let's have a bit of a jam over it?
Yeah, go for it. Definitely funky.
Nice. And again, you know, it's a simple layer that we've added onto a groove that's kind of changed the whole way the groove sounds.
Yeah, great work.
It's great stuff.
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. You know, take your time with it. Try and get that motion of opening it on count 1. Start to add the ghost notes in and gradually layer it up. If you're enjoying these lessons, please remember to like and subscribe. Have fun, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next lesson.
See you later.